Hello everyone, very good morning, and today we are going to cover next personalities of modern India, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and his period was from 1856 to 1920. Let's start about his life canvas. And British author Sir Valentine Chirol called him father of the Indian unrest. So this can be asked question, who called as father of Indian unrest? And Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And who called him this? Sir, British author like Sir Valentine Chirol. Sir Valentine Chirol called him. Sir Valentine Chirol called him father of the Indian unrest. So this is very important question for MCQ type के लिए. And conferred with the title of Lokmanya. And he had extremist outlook. He had extremist outlook and supporter of self-respect, self-sacrifice and Swaraj. So his quotes is Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. And first to advocate Swaraj or self-rule. So he was first person who advocated for Swaraj or self-rule. And he was against the blatant westernization of society. Means society should be not, Indian society should be not westernized in blatant form and absolute form. And socially conservative, like opposed age of consent bill 1891, against women getting western education. Means socially he was like conservative mindset, having conservative mindset, because he opposed age of consent bill 1891 and against women getting western education. So he was not in favor of the authors. And he helped in spreading the Swadeshi movement in Pune and Bombay. So he helped in spreading Swadeshi movement in Pune and Bombay area. And what were the life events? Let's move ahead in his life event. So born in 1856 in Maharashtra, and graduated from Dakhan College, Pune in 1877. Graduated from Deccan College, Pune in 1877, and later studied at Government Law College, Bombay. Later studied at Government Law College, Bombay, and in 1819 joined Indian National Congress. Means in 1890 he joined Indian National Congress, and in 1897 Shah-Perkar brother assassinated Commissioner Rand, inspiration from Tilak articles. Means Shah-Perkar brother assassinated Commissioner Rand, R-A-N-D, Rand, and they were inspired from Bal Gangadhar Tilak's articles, and supported Boycott and Swadeshi movement. And Lal Bal Pal trio, like he supported fellow nationalist Bipin Chandra Pal and Lala Rajpat Rai as well. And in 1907 INC split took place in International Congress, like in 1907 took place. In which session of Congress? Surat. And in 1916 extremists led by him rejoined INC. So in 1916 once again united INC. Indian National Congress, and extremists joined it. And he started Shivaji 1896 and Ganesh in 1894 festival. So who started Shivaji and Ganesh festival? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So these were his life's event, and termed 1919 reforms as unworthy and disappointing a sunless town, and termed 1990 reforms as unworthy and disappointing. And he was opposed to alliance with Muslim leaders over religious issues. He opposed to alliance with Muslim leaders over religious issues because he was conservative. He was having conservative mindset to some extent. He was skeptical of Satyagraha of Gandhiji as an instrument of politics because he was like, he come in extremist club, so he was suspicious and skeptical, not sure to take Satyagraha of Gandhiji as an instrument of politics. He wanted to do the all things through revolution. And his publication was Kesari, one of the very important. From here so many questions, so many times have been asked from this area publication wala. So Kesari Marathi and Maratha English. So Kesari was like in Marathi, and Maratha was like in English. And in 1903, Arctic Home in Vedas and the Orion book and Gita Rahasya, these all were publication of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So Kesari in Marathi and Maratha in English, and 1903 the Arctic Home in the Vedas and the Orient book and Gita Rahasya. Gita Rahasya is also very important publication of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And organization, let's move towards organization. Dakkan Education Society in 1884, like along with Vishnu Shastri, Chiplankar and Gopal Ganesh Agakhar, to inspire nationalist education among Indian students. Society established Ferguson College in 1885 for post-secondary studies. So Ferguson College here, like from here started. So society established Ferguson College in 1885, Dakkan Education Society, and founder Home Rule League 1916, and restricted to Maharashtra, excluding Bombay, Karnataka, Central Province and Berar. So founder Home Rule League in 1916, restricted to Maharashtra but excluding Bombay. And Home Rule League demands: first, Swaraj; second, linguistic state; third, education in vernacular language. Education in vernacular language. Vernacular language means local language, regional language like Marathi, because he was not in favor of Western culture. So he wanted to have Swaraj, self-rule, and Swadeshi and linguistic states, and education in vernacular language. So these all were associated with Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.